What's the meaning of cliffhanger? Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger.
Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger refers to a literary or filmic device in which the story ends at a crucial moment of suspense, leaving the audience wondering about the outcome. This can create excitement and anticipation for the next installment of the story. Typically, cliffhangers are used to keep audiences engaged and eager to see what happens next. They are often employed in serialized stories, such as television dramas or book series, and can be effective ways of keeping the audience involved in the narrative. Overall, a cliffhanger ending generates an intense sense of curiosity and often leads to a high level of engagement among audiences.